Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up PowerPoint and then go to shapes and insert this oval shape. Next, we're going to just add this its size, duplicate it about 2 more times and change one of its rotation to 36 and the other to 72. Duplicate both of these rotated shapes and then flip them vertically. Now we're gonna select all of these, go to align, and we're gonna align them into the center and the middle. Next, we're gonna insert a circle the same height and width that it covers all of these shapes and then send it to the back. Make sure that all of their corners are aligning and overlapping on the circle so that we can easily fragment these shapes. Next, what we're going to do is select all of them, go to merge shapes and then fragment them. Remove this middle circle and these 5 shapes and the other these 5 shapes that are like not touching along. So next we're going to select these shapes and then change their fill and the other shapes, some of them, and then change their fill as well to, and then unite them. From the merge option, click on union, select the other shape as well, and we're going to unite them as well. Similarly, we're gonna make separate 5 shapes like these, give them separate colors so that we can differentiate among them, and then correctly give them like merge option from the union. So here we have about 5 shapes. Remove the outline, go to format shape, click on gradient and give them a suitable gradient, whatever color you like. Next, what we're gonna do is select it and give it a shadow on the 5th number. Next, we're gonna add our text and let's just decrease the text size. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is insert a number along with the text which says what number is this, like what number of text is this. So this is gonna be our first text box, and so we're just gonna put it onto the left side and then move the text box to the right side that have the number, and for the text box we're just gonna move it to the left side, give them the right side alignment, then duplicate the text boxes and we're gonna place them right here below each one of them one by one, but we're also gonna give them some space and then align them equally. For the middle text boxes, we're going to move them more to the right side. Similarly, we're going to duplicate these 3 to 6 text boxes and move them to the right side as well. Give them the left side alignment and move the number text boxes to the left side and then customize their numbers according to their sequence. So here you go. Next, what we're gonna do is go to icons, and from here we're gonna choose 5 of our favorite icons and we're gonna just put them and change their color to white and then put each one of them one by one in each of the 5 shapes separately. So here we have. So that's all you have to do. Be sure to buy this template for only $3 from a Patreon link in the description below.